Okay. Okay. Now what we will see is nothing but different layers. Okay. This layers of earth. We'll see that different layers of earth. Okay. This is the different layers of earth. Okay. Now we will see if it is an earth. Okay. Let us consider this to be an earth. Okay. Let us consider this to be an earth like this. Okay. This to be an earth like that. This is an earth. Okay. This is an earth. Okay. And this top layer, whatever this top layer is there, no, this top layer is nothing but a crust. This top layer is nothing but a crust. And next, whatever this is, it is divided like this, some dotted lines. Okay. This is okay. This region, whatever this region is there, no, this region it is called as an mantle. This region is nothing but mantle. Okay. Whatever this upper layer, this dotted line, this is called as an upper mantle. This is called as an upper mantle. And this thing, this line, it is called as an lower mantle. This is called as an lower mantle. Okay. And inside this we are going to have another layer like this. Okay. This is nothing but this layer, whatever this layer it is there, no, it is called as an core. It is called as an core. That is, the earth is the layers of the earth. So earth is going to have, that earth is going to have 3 layers. Okay. 3 layers. What are those 3 layers? Means crust, mantle, and core. It is the top to bottom core. That is, earth has having 3 interior layers, or it is also called as an earth interior layers. Okay. These 3, whatever these 3 are, these are called as an earth interior layers. Okay. Earth's interior is divided into layers. Okay. Is divided into layers. Okay. Is divided into layers. Okay. These layers are nothing but this thing. Okay. That is in this crust, whatever this crust is there, no, the first layer, the top layer, crust. This crust layer, we are going to have more elements. We are going to have more elements. Okay. We are going to have more elements. That is, the crust layer, the more elements are silicon and aluminum. Silicon and aluminum. Okay. This silicon and aluminum called as an Cl. It is called as an Cl. Now this second one is nothing but mantle. In mantle we are going to having the elements as silicon comma magnesium, and hence it is called as an cyma. Silicon and this mantle, this is called as an cyma. And the next one is nothing but core. This earth's core, it is having nickel and iron. It is having nickel and iron. So it is also called as a knife. It is also called as a knife. Okay. This is nothing but the classification of layers of that earth. Okay. This is the classification of that layers of that earth. Okay. This is that classification of, now classification of that layers of that earth. Okay, now we'll see some facts. Okay, the first fact is nothing but this earth's crust is there, no? This crust earth's crust abundant element, this earth's crust abundant element, this earth's crust abundant element will be O2, silicon and aluminum. It is a decreasing order. It is a decreasing order. Decreasing order. First highest will be oxygen and least will be aluminum. Okay, that is the thing. It is the decreasing order. That is earth's crust. Whatever that crust you see now, this crust, whatever this earth's crust, there, this earth's crust, whatever this crust. Okay, this crust, whatever this crust is there, no, this crust we are going to have that oxygen, silicon and aluminum, whatever this earth crust. Okay, that is the thing. Then we will see that different layers of that atmosphere. Okay, different layers of atmosphere, different layers of atmosphere. Okay, we'll see the different layers of atmosphere. Okay, this is different layers of atmosphere. Okay, first we will draw that earth. Okay, this earth, this is the earth we are going to have. Okay, this is the earth we are going to have. This is that earth. Okay, okay, this is that earth. Okay, on this earth, the first layer we are going to have, the first layer on the earth, the first layer we are going to have is nothing but near to earth. It is nothing but the first layer we are going to have is nothing but troposphere. Troposphere. Okay, troposphere. On this troposphere we are going to have stratosphere. We are going to have stratosphere, and upside this stratosphere we are going to have mesosphere. We are going to have mesosphere, and this upside we are going to have iono or thermosphere. Iono or thermosphere, and upside this thing we are going to have exosphere. Exosphere. We are going to have exosphere. Okay, okay, exosphere. This exosphere is there, no? Here in this exosphere, that spaceships okay, spaceships and satellites. Okay, spaceships and satellites are located in the exosphere. Okay, exosphere, the spaceships and satellites are located in exosphere. In this mesosphere, we are going to have meteorological rockets and meteors. Okay, we are going to have meteors. Okay, this is nothing but meteors. Okay, it is nothing but meteors. Okay, these are the nothing but different layers of that atmosphere, whatever this is there now. Okay, first one, second one, third one, fourth one and fifth one. These five are the layers of that layers of atmosphere. Okay, then on the surface of that earth, okay, on the surface of that earth, whatever this earth is there, no, this is nothing but the surface of the earth is there, no, the surface of that earth. Okay, this surface of that earth, we are going to have one layer. It is called as a lithosphere. It is called as a lithosphere. Okay, this lithosphere is not not the layer of atmosphere. Okay, not the layer of atmosphere. If anybody asks the layers of atmosphere, means these 5 layers only we have to talk. Okay, this is nothing but that thing. Okay, this is nothing but that thing. That is nothing but, that is lithosphere. Okay, then this troposphere is there, no? Okay, this troposphere is there, no? This troposphere, it is the layer near to earth, layer near to earth, or it is also called as an oldest layer, or it is also called as an oldest layer. It is the layer near to earth, or it is also called as an oldest layer. Okay, then this stratosphere, whatever this stratosphere is there, no? In this stratosphere we are going to found that ozone layer. We are going to find that ozone layer in stratosphere, and also we are going to have commercial jets, and also we are going to have that aircrafts, and also we are going to have high altitude balloons, high altitude balloons are also located in this stratosphere only. Normal aeroplanes also are here only. That is nothing but supersonic jet planes, these also travels in that stratosphere only. Okay, then this thermosphere is there, no? This thermosphere, it is nothing but highest temperature layer. This is the highest temperature layer. This is the thermosphere, is nothing but highest temperature layer. Thermo means heat, no? So highest temperature layer. And the lowest temperature layer is nothing but lowest temperature or coldest, this mesosphere. This is the lowest temperature layer, or it is nothing but coldest, or this is the highest temperature layer. It is nothing but hottest. Okay, that is the thing. We have to remember these points. These all points they will ask in the exam. Okay, this is nothing but, what is that? This is nothing but earth. This white color is nothing but earth. Okay, next we will write about some facts about all these things. Okay, we'll say some facts. Okay, that the first fact is nothing but radioactive elements are again reached to earth, by which layer means is nothing but ionosphere. This ionosphere is nothing but part of thermosphere. This is nothing but part of thermosphere. This is nothing but part of the atmosphere. The next thing we have to know about is nothing but that is nothing but the one and only, what is that? Is nothing but this 99% of earth atmosphere is made up of 99% of nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen and oxygen. This nitrogen is 78 percentage plus this oxygen is nothing but 21 percentage. When you add, you are going to get 99 percentage. Okay, that is this thing. Okay, that is this thing. And another point we have to remember is nothing but that earth atmosphere, earth atmosphere, highest percentage gas, that is a decreasing order, what we are going to have, that is nitrogen gas, then oxygen, then argon, and then carbon dioxide. This nitrogen gas is about how much? 78 percentage. This oxygen gas is nothing but 21 percentage. Argon is nothing but 0.94 percentage, and carbon dioxide is nothing but 0.03 percentage. Okay, this order is important and these percentages are also important. Okay, that is this thing. Okay, next we will see about some things about sound. We will see about sound. Okay, we will see about sound. See about sound. That is nothing but sound. What we have to see in sound is nothing but, that is the intensity of sound, intensity or loudness of sound is directly proportional to amplitude square, directly proportional to amplitude square. Okay, and the next one is nothing but pitch of sound. Pitch of sound is directly proportional to frequency. Pitch of sound is directly proportional to frequency. These things we have to remember. Okay, thank you.